Businesses rely on multiple applications: ERPs, CRMs, accounting software, marketing, payment applications, legacy systems, and other cloud-based platforms. But when these apps don't talk to each other, efficiency suffers. But when you connect these applications, they start talking to each other, and data flows seamlessly between systems without any manual intervention. So clearly, connecting applications is a good move. There are a few ways to approach how to go about it. Different integration models suit different needs. Starting with point-to-point integration, great for quick and simple needs, but can get messy when you scale. EAI, also known as hub and spoke integration. Here, each system that wants to share data is connected to one single point called the hub, best in terms of centralization. Next is ESB, a flexible system that helps apps communicate, ideal for on-premises systems. Finally, integration platform, a modern cloud-based solution that connects cloud and on-premise apps, most preferred for businesses looking for an easy, scalable option. Why use an integration platform? Simple. It offers a third-party integration route with the technical hassles outsourced so that you can focus on other important things. Plus, it supports real-time data exchange, automation, scalability and flexibility for customizations. Not all available integration platforms may be the right fit for your business. Different needs require different tools. While shortlisting options, ask yourself, can it integrate with your existing applications? Does it meet your data protection standards? Does the solution have experience working with similar companies? Is it simple enough for your team to manage? Once you have the right integration tool, your business will run more seamlessly. No more system hopping or data silos. Furthermore, enjoy more productivity, less manual work, no mixed-up data or outdated info. Cost savings, scalability where you can add new systems with ease, a single source of truth with everything in one place. For manufacturers and distributors, DCKAP Integrator is a great choice. The only ERP integration platform. It helps them navigate complex B2B challenges, streamline business processes, enhance operational efficiency, scale with your business. So if you're ready to ditch the manual work and streamline everything, get in touch with our integration experts today. Make your systems talk to each other and experience connectivity like never before.